Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Academy of English Excellence podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. We're so happy you're here today.
In this episode, we're going to talk about something very useful, your daily routine.
That means everything you do from morning to night.
Exactly. You'll learn how to talk about what you do every day in simple, easy English.
So don't worry about big grammar or difficult words. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy.
And remember, the best way to learn English is to speak a little every day.
That's right. So let's begin our day together in English.
Let's start with the morning, the beginning of our day.
When I wake up, the first thing I do is stretch. I say, "Good morning," to myself.
That's a good habit. I wake up at 7 o'clock, but I usually stay in bed for a few minutes.
Oh, yes, I do that too sometimes. Then I get up and make my bed.
After that, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Then I take a shower. It helps me feel fresh and ready for the day.
Me too. After my shower, I get dressed and have breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast, Anna?
I eat bread with eggs and drink coffee. Sometimes I eat fruit like a banana or an apple.
That's healthy. I usually eat cereal and drink tea.
After breakfast, I check my phone and read messages.
Then I go to work around 8 o'clock.
Let's help our listeners practice. Repeat after us.
I wake up at 7. I get up and make my bed. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
Great. Say it again, but this time, think about your own morning.
What time do you wake up? What do you eat? Say it aloud.
You're doing amazing. Keep going. Now it's the afternoon. The sun is high, and it's time for lunch.
Yes. In the afternoon, I have lunch at 12 or 1 o'clock.
I eat lunch around 12. I usually eat rice, vegetables, and chicken.
That sounds delicious. I sometimes eat a sandwich or salad.
After lunch, I go to work again. I write emails, join meetings, and finish my projects.
I teach English classes in the afternoon. Sometimes I help students with pronunciation.
That's nice. Many people study or work in the afternoon.
Yes, and some students do homework or read books.
When I finish work, I like to take a short walk outside.
That's healthy. I sometimes meet my friends for coffee or a snack.
Let's review and practice together. Repeat slowly. I have lunch.
I have lunch.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I do homework.
I do homework.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I meet my friends.
I meet my friends.
Perfect! Now think about your afternoon.
What do you do after lunch?
Say it out loud, even if it's simple. For example, I go to school, or I rest after lunch.
Yes, speaking out loud helps your brain remember.
Exactly. Every time you listen, say it with us. That's how you learn faster. Now, let's talk about evening and night, the quiet time of the day.
After work, I go home and cook dinner.
What do you cook, Tom?
Sometimes pasta, sometimes rice with vegetables. Easy and fast.
Nice. I also cook dinner around 6. Then I eat with my family.
After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen.
Good job. I like to watch TV after dinner, maybe a movie or a short show.
I sometimes play games or listen to music. It helps me relax.
At night, I take a shower again and read a book before bed.
That's a great way to end the day. I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock.
I sleep around 11.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I cook dinner. I eat with my family. I watch TV. I read a book. I go to bed.
Again, slowly. I cook dinner at 6. I watch TV at night. I go to bed at 10.
Perfect. Now think. What do you do before bed? Do you read, listen to music, or use your phone? Say your answer out loud. Go ahead. Practice makes progress.
Let's talk about time expressions when you do things.
We say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night.
For example, I brush my teeth in the morning. I eat lunch in the afternoon. I watch TV at night.
You can also use words that show how often you do something.
Yes, like always, usually, sometimes, rarely, and never.
For example, I always eat breakfast. I usually walk to work. I sometimes take the bus. I never drink coffee at night.
Great examples. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I always brush my teeth. I sometimes read in the evening. I never go to bed late.
Good. Now let's make a little game. I'll say a sentence, and you tell me if it's true for you.
Ready? I usually wake up early. True or false?
I sometimes eat pizza.
I never skip breakfast.
Nice. These words make your English sound natural and real.
Yes, because we don't always do everything the same every day. Now, listen to my full daily routine. Try to understand and repeat in your head. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast. I go to work at 8. At 12, I have lunch. In the afternoon, I work on my computer and talk to my team. In the evening, I cook dinner and watch TV. At night, I read a book and go to bed at 11.
That was great, Anna. Now let's check understanding. What time does Anna wake up?
Yes, 7 o'clock.
What does she do after dinner?
Right, she watches TV.
Now it's your turn. Describe your day from morning to night. Say it out loud, even if it's short.
Before we finish, let's review all the new words from today's lesson.
Yes, we learned many good words to talk about our daily life. Let's go one by one. Wake up. To open your eyes in the morning. Example 1. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Example 2. She wakes up early every day.
Get up. To leave your bed after you wake up. Example 1. I get up and make my bed. Example 2. He gets up at 6:30.
Brush teeth. To clean your teeth with a toothbrush. Example 1. I brush my teeth every morning. Example 2. Don't forget to brush your teeth before bed.
Take a shower. To wash your body with water. Example 1. I take a shower before work. Example 2. She takes a shower after the gym.
Have breakfast. To eat in the morning. Example 1. I have breakfast with my family. Example 2. We have breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Go to work or go to school. To travel to your job or school. Example 1. I go to work by bus. Example 2. They go to school together.
Have lunch. To eat in the middle of the day. Example 1. I have lunch at noon. Example 2. He has lunch in the cafeteria.
Do homework. To study or finish school tasks. Example 1. I do homework after class. Example 2. She does her homework at night.
Read a book. To look at words and understand a story. Example 1. I read a book before bed. Example 2. My mom reads books every evening.
Cook dinner. To prepare food in the evening. Example 1. I cook dinner for my family. Example 2. They cook dinner together on weekends.
Watch TV. To look at programs or shows on television. Example 1. I watch TV at night. Example 2. My dad watches TV after dinner.
Go to bed. To lie down and sleep at night. Example 1. I go to bed at 10. Example 2. The children go to bed early.
Always, usually, sometimes, never. Words that tell how often you do something. Example 1. I always brush my teeth. Example 2. I sometimes watch movies on Sunday.
And time phrases. In the morning, in the afternoon, at night. Example 1. I study in the morning. Example 2. I watch TV at night.
These are simple words, but they help you talk about your whole day, morning to night.
Exactly. Use them every day and you'll sound more natural in English.
Now that we remember all the words, let's move to our final recap.
Let's review everything we learned today.
In the morning. Wake up, brush teeth, take a shower, have breakfast, go to work.
In the afternoon, have lunch, work, study, meet friends.
In the evening. Cook dinner, watch TV, read a book, go to bed.
And don't forget, use in the morning, in the afternoon, at night, and frequency words like always and sometimes.
You did an amazing job today. You can now talk about your whole day in English.
That's a big step for any English learner.
Try to record yourself saying your routine. Listen and practice every day.
Next time, we'll talk about small talk in English, how to sound friendly and natural in conversation.
Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.
See you next time. Bye-bye.